everyone, and thanks for joining me today. A big hello to you all. Right, okay, so today I haven't done much crafting. I know it's late, my video's going up late, but I still wanted to come on and say hi to you all and just see how you're all doing. We did the crafty pick and mix challenge yesterday, and in the next couple of days I will be doing the subby one where I pick your ones. Oh, got itchy nose, I'm so sorry. What's that supposed to mean? I can't remember. A couple of you have put on your 5 things from the crafty pick and mix challenge. So we've got Gemma Wild. Hi Gemma, she put that her 5 that she picked were rubber stamps, paper, or stamp, I presume it's rubber stamp, paper, letter pocket, glue and picture. Victoria Kellogg still has to pick her 5 out. Joanne Sanderson, hi my lovely, and hi Victoria. Paper doilies, clear stamp, paper pad, ribbon and eyelash trim. So we have a couple more that have put their 5 on. The other thing I wanted to say was a big thank you to Colleen Reilly, who did a design team project for me with 2 of my digital kits. Now, for those of you that have been following, I did give out free digital kits, and I'm still doing that. So if anyone hasn't got theirs and they still would like one, go over to my Etsy shop, pick one, and then email me and I'll send you it for free. It's to keep us all busy in this time of isolation. Now, Colleen did a wonderful journal with my botanicals kit and the labels, and she really did do a fantastic job. She printed them out different sizes, and she stop it, so you can guess who that is. Shall I turn it right? Stop it. He is wrecking my camera. Stop frowning at me. She did an amazing, stop it, oh my gosh, job with this, I'm so sorry, journal, and I will put a link to the video that she did so that you can go and see it. And so all you need, if you want my botanicals kit, just let me know and I will send you it, and just have a look at her video because it was amazing. It was really good. So thank you, Colleen, and good job, Charles. Right, what else have I got to tell you? My craft room's a mess, that's one thing. I haven't got my heels on today. I have got my boots on, not my like stiletto boots or anything. That sounds a bit kinky. No, I've got my I'm not gonna put my legs up. I'm just not feeling it today. Can't get my leg up there, definitely not. Right, what have we got to do? I don't know, I have loads of things. You know when you have too many things. I finished my project for Mary Barrett's challenge, so I've sent that off in the post. Can't wait for her to get it. I did finish that for her, and I think I'm going to do a bit of organisation tomorrow, I think, and might get my cat journal out. I don't know, I've got a million things I want to do, and I don't know where to start. We need to be more focused, I think that's what it is, and I've had a little bit of a not focused day today. It's been housework day, not pretend housework, proper housework. All of you loved my little trick with the furniture polish. Excuse me, but today I have actually been doing proper housework. I will probably do a live video at the weekend for all of you that want to pop on and have a chin wag with me. And don't forget, I'm going to start questions and answers video next week. So if you have a question you want to throw at me, I will save them all up for the questions and answers video. If not, I'm just going to be sat here talking to myself, which I do anyway. But I'm sure, you know, you have lots of crafty questions for me that I can answer. And even if it ain't crafty, just ask me. You never know, I might be able to answer it. We had a lot of fun before. Do you remember we did the, we was doing quizzes and things, and oh, that was hilarious. So I might do some of those again. So it was just a quick hello today, just to check in with you, make sure that you're all okay. Send you my love, say hi to everybody, and don't forget to check out Colleen's video below. And I will see you tomorrow. We will do some crafting tomorrow. We'll do something. And Joanne Sanderson, send me photos. I know that Joanne has made her things with her 5 things for the Pick and Mix challenge. So we want to see pictures, and I will put them at the end of a video or something. So hi to you all, love to you all. Take care, keep safe, and I will see you tomorrow. Love you. Oh, this was day, oh my gosh, are we day 11? I think it's day 11 today. I'm sure it's day 11. Day 11. Yeah. So I'll see you tomorrow for day 12, if I've got my days right. I'm sure I have. No, I am waffling. See you all tomorrow. Love you. Bye.